Hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. Cold front off to our northwest. We'll enjoy one last decent day ahead of that cold front, although behind it you're already going to see some changes to the northwest. I'm going to take this through very slowly. First, a trough coming through. That's going to be a wind shift. We'll see a few extra clouds in our southern viewing area. Otherwise, a lot of areas will see sunshine, but once that front comes through your neighborhood up north already this morning, clouds filling in, maybe a little light snow in northern Nebraska. Can't rule out a few flakes flying around, some very minimal accumulation there. And temperatures will drop off once that front comes through. The winds will turn northerly and be brisk. So that takes us to 5 o'clock. That's about the time the Tri-Cities are going to be seeing this cold front come through. So temperatures will start to drop off pretty quickly behind that front. We get a little bit of brief clearing for a time right there. Skies start to clear out around midnight, and then later in the night, more clouds coming in. Midnight is about the time I expect some of that snow to move into the Panhandle, moves into the Sandhills, but shouldn't be to the Tri-Cities yet at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. But if you live to the north and west, you may start to see some of that snow flying by sunrise tomorrow morning. But you to the south and east, you may actually wake up to a little bit of sunshine. The snow chances start to pick up across the area during the day Wednesday, although I don't think a lot of us are going to see a super heavy snow during the day Wednesday. Notice how a lot of it is light and it's more hit or miss on Wednesday. Things get a little more organized Wednesday night, but right now I will say that things are starting to favor these areas in here, the south and the west, with the best chance of snow Wednesday night. So let's play this out Wednesday evening. Now, I know this model has quite a bit up here. I don't know if we're going to see a lot this far north here. Certainly, I think the I-80 corridor and then south from there is kind of our area we're going to be watching for the best chance of snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Thursday morning, 7 o'clock, things are starting to wind down out west. We still have ongoing snow. Some blowing snow. The winds are going to be breezy out of the northwest. They're not going to be super strong, but they will be strong enough to blow some snow around, a reduction in the visibility. So travel not advised Wednesday night, Thursday morning if you don't have to, as the conditions won't be great out there. And again, especially I-80 and southward right now. And then as we get into Thursday noon, wrapping up the snow in central Nebraska, still a little snow out towards the east, which will wind down early in the afternoon. Maybe some sun in the afternoon in the parts of the area behind the system. We'll start to see that sun come out, but it's going to be pretty cold out there for a few more days to end the work week. So, I don't know why, but I don't have all of my graphics up here that I wanted, so I'm going to go to this one right here first. This is the winter weather alerts here. This is the winter storm watch that's in place. Omaha National Weather Service, they have not issued anything out for their area yet. Hastings National Weather Service here. North Platte National Weather Service here. Goodland National Weather Service here. Cheyenne here. Winter storm watch is in place starting Wednesday, either midnight Wednesday morning or 6 a.m. Wednesday morning here to the west. Noon here as well. We'll see the start time for that in the south central Nebraska, north central Kansas. Notice Grand Island, north and east were not included, as the snow amounts could be a little bit lighter right in here compared to farther south and west. And there may eventually be a winter weather advisory, Grand Island, places like this, but the farther northeast you go, I think the lower the totals will be. And in fact, I'm going to show you a couple of other long-range models. This is the European model. This one is on the lighter side of things here. Here's the daytime Wednesday. Matches up pretty well with our in-house model. And then everything shifts southward here. Wednesday night, that's when your heavy snows fall across southern Nebraska, northern Kansas. And then Thursday starts to wind down from west to east during the day, and Thursday night the skies will clear out. That's the European model. The GFS is a little bit heavier than the European model, but follows that same track. Notice this one is much farther south here, and this one I'm actually kind of starting to agree with a little bit more here. Notice the northern Kansas, far southern Nebraska, not as much to the north and east. And then that will clear out again Thursday during the day. Thursday night moves out of here. We're back to quiet weather. Finally, the North American model is probably the weakest of all of them here. Not very much snow through Wednesday. And then Wednesday night, much of it along the Nebraska-Kansas border. That matches up with the GFS. And then clears out of here during the day Thursday. Thursday night moves completely out. So I'm starting to lean towards that GFS forecast model. So that's the model I'm using right here. I'm kind of in the range of 4 to 7 inches right here. Tri-Cities 2 to 6, and 6 would probably be pushing it right now. Probably more of a 2 to 5 would be a more honest number, and that 2 would be closer to the Grand Island area, 4 or 5 closer to Hastings and Kearney, and then really dropping off quickly to the north and east. So if you're hoping for beneficial moisture here, probably not with this storm, unfortunately. And even here, we're still probably talking at most maybe a half inch of liquid equivalent accumulation, and that's not a ton. It's something. It's good. We're getting good that we're getting something, but it's not a ton here. But yeah, watch for some school closings, late starts, things like that Thursday morning. The rest of your forecast, things go quiet again once we get beyond Thursday. It will be cold for a few more days beyond Thursday, especially the nighttime hours, Thursday night, Friday night down in the single digits near zero Saturday morning. But then Saturday, we start to see improvements. Saturday will be breezy, mostly sunny. We get back to the lower 40s. Sunday, yeah, we lose an hour of sleep, but we gain almost 20 degrees there. So, hey, that's a nice little trade-off. Sunday looks like a really decent day out there. Monday, a little cooler. We get a backdoor cool front that swings through that cools us off just a little bit. And then after that, temperatures should soar Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, coming down a little bit by Thursday, maybe Friday too, coming down a little bit, but still nice mild temperatures returning next week. So that's kind of what we're looking at over the next 7 to 10 days. Not a major snowstorm, but at least some snow, and it could be impactful for some of you, not for everybody though. We've seen worse. But hey, it's something. It's not going to be a very weak system, but at the same time, not a major winter storm. So it's kind of in the middle ground right there, I guess is the way I'd put it. And then we get back to the nicer weather next week. So, all right, I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I will see you all again tomorrow for Wednesday. Until then, take care. Enjoy your day. God bless. Bye.